Alright, out at Menai today, just going to do a bit of a test ride on the WR. Just had it top end rebuilt by Worth Race Development in Carlingford. They've sent the head away and had the seats recut, put in some new valves, new piston, and this will be my first ride. I've replaced the linkage bearings and the swing arm bearing, all back together now, and we'll give it a bit of a test ride. This is the first little section I do, first and second gear. Just a little left-hand turn. Bike feels really crisp. You can tell the work's been done to the top end. Another little track here. Seems to be going okay, the bike.